Human brain cells and artificial intelligence merged. It sounds, well, wild, like something straight out of a sci-fi flare.
It certainly grabbed our attention. And that's really what we're digging into today. Yeah. Scientists just merged human brain cells with AI. Here's what happened. So our mission, basically, is to unpack what actually went down.
Exactly. Forget the, far future speculation for a minute. We're just focusing on the facts of this development, what happened. So lay it on us. What exactly did they do?
Okay, so the article explains how scientists successfully integrated actual human brain cells. Specifically, these clusters of lab-grown neurons. They call them organoids, and they integrated those with an AI system.
Okay, wait. So sophisticated lab work, we're not talking about like walking brains or anything.
Oh, no, definitely not. It's these small clusters, organoids.
Right. Still, how do you even get brain cells and AI to connect, talking to each other?
Well, the text explained that these organoids were interfaced with a pretty sophisticated AI platform. It was designed to do two things: send very precise signals to neurons, and then also analyze the complex patterns of their responses. Think of it like the AI sending messages the cells can kind of understand, and then reading their replies.
A two-way conversation then, almost. The AI isn't just observing passively.
Exactly, it's actively engaging with the biological stuff.
Wow.
Yeah, this bidirectional communication is really key, according to the article. The AI could stimulate the brain cells, maybe with electrical signals, maybe chemical, and then it could interpret the activity that resulted in that network of neurons.
Okay, that makes sense. But why? What was the driving force behind this? What did the scientists hope to actually achieve by, bringing these two very different things together?
Well, according to the article, the main objective, it seems, is about pioneering a new form of computing, like a fundamentally different way to process information.
A new form of computing?
Yeah, the idea is to harness the unique processing abilities of biological neurons right alongside the strengths of traditional AI.
So the goal is a kind of hybrid computer, part living tissue, part machine. Can you give us the super high level sense of why biological neurons might even be good for computation?
Well, what's fascinating here, and the article touches on this, is the potential for things like energy efficiency. Biological systems are incredibly efficient.
Right.
And maybe even new kinds of parallel processing that biology has, evolved over millennia. The suggestion is this hybrid approach might tackle really complex computational problems in innovative ways.
And so,
perhaps even learning and adapting with maybe more fluidity, more organically than conventional AI on its own.